Understanding, it's a no from me. Navigating polite refusals in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common, yet nuanced phrase in the English language. It's a no from me. This expression is rich in context and meaning, and understanding it can significantly enhance your conversational skills in English. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how to use it effectively. It's a no from me is a straightforward yet polite way of expressing refusal or disagreement. When someone says this, they are clearly stating that they do not agree with a suggestion or offer, or they are not in favor of an idea or proposal. The beauty of this phrase lies in its politeness and clarity. It leaves no room for misunderstanding, yet it's delivered in a way that is considered respectful and gentle. Interestingly, this phrase gained widespread popularity through reality TV shows, especially in talent competitions. Judges would use it to indicate that a contestant would not be moving forward in the competition. It's a perfect example of how media can influence language and introduce new expressions into everyday conversation. In formal situations. In a professional or formal setting, it's a no from me can be used to decline proposals, suggestions, or invitations. It's a polite way to express your stance without being too direct or harsh. For instance, when offered a project that doesn't align with your interests or abilities, you might say, "Thank you for considering me, but it's a no from me." In informal situations. In casual conversations among friends or family, this phrase can be used more loosely. It can express personal preferences or choices in a light-hearted manner. For example, if someone suggests watching a movie you're not interested in, you could respond with, "It's a no from me. I'm not really into horror movies." It's important to note that while "it's a no from me" is quite clear, there are variations that carry a similar meaning but may fit different contexts better. Phrases like, "I'll pass," "Not for me," "Thanks," or "I'm going to have to decline," are all polite ways to say no while maintaining a friendly tone. Understanding the phrase, "It's a no from me," is more than just learning the words. It's about grasping the nuances of polite refusal in English. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in using this expression and understanding when it's directed at you. Remember, effective communication is key in any language, and knowing how to express disagreement politely is a valuable skill. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.